What's up, everybody? Bill with Honest Open Permaculture Hop Farm. I'm going to give you guys a quick update on the ducks and the pigs. I haven't shown you them in a while, so why not? Before we go over to the animals, I just want to say thank you for clicking on my video. If this is the first time, we are a small homestead in North Carolina, just trying to become as self-sufficient as we can be and taking you guys along with us. So let's move on to the ducks. We have 5 ducks. We lost one not too long ago. She was not hanging out with the pack here. She was kind of a loner off by herself, and she finally got by something. I don't know what. I did find some feathers kind of out there in an opening on the other side of this field here. But we still have 5 of them. I did get rid of all the males except one. That's one reason we're down a few, because we only have one male because all the males were beating up the females. If you have too many males to your females, they will try to mate. They'll get possessive and they'll just get straight up mean. Oh, look. That's one thing about ducks too. They just love to lay eggs anywhere. And you never know how old this egg is right here. So we'll feed this to the pigs while we go down there. So the ducks are doing great. Besides the one that got a couple weeks ago. They're still laying eggs. I'm still getting out of the 4 girls. I'm still getting 2 to 3 eggs a day out of them. So that's cool. They are pretty much free range. They sleep, excuse the mess, in that little house right there. See if I can zoom in a little. There's a little house right there. They sleep in at night. I shut them up and then I let them out in the morning. We're going to feed the pigs. Won't throw that egg in there for the pigs. Now, I've been showing y'all a lot of the chickens lately since I've been doing updates, weekly updates on the chicken compost system. It's back there. So I won't show you the chickens. I'm just going to show you the pigs and the ducks. Fluff Flop. Come here, boy. I am shooting this on the phone. I'm still messing with the Canon camera I got for Christmas from Aaron. Come on, Bubba. You hungry? We have been getting a lot of rain lately, so their land is pretty soupy, as you can tell. Hey, big guy. What's up? What's up, my friend? Doing good? You hungry? He likes eggs. I'll give him the egg. Pour a little bit in there first. I know, you smell that egg. I got you an egg. You see it? You want it? Oh, sorry, bud. I missed the mouth. You want it again? He loves himself an egg. All right, let's go feed Mama and her babies. They're over there. I know the sun's right in your face right now, so it's kind of hard to see. So let's get in some shady spots. We're kind of behind the trees now, but they have been working back in there pretty well. As you can tell, it's all muddy in here from all the rain. But let's feed these guys a little bit. Put you down for a minute. You guys got a few more days. I do have a few spots in there I'm gonna feed them in just to help clear it out a little bit more. So I got a little detailed work I need them to do in there, so I'll feed them in those spots. They'll clear it out, and then we'll move them on. Oh no, looks like there's some fence down over there. I'm gonna have to go fix that here in a second. As you can tell, it's hitting good. You hear that clicking? So I know they're not going to cross it. And I don't have, I didn't bring the right shoes for this. I have tennis shoes on at the moment. And I am not going in there in tennis shoes. I will ruin them. I am able to weave my way in between and not walk in any puddles and get through here. But I was not expecting their fence to be down and me have to go in the muddiness I really haven't needed to water them if I don't want to give them water, because they have a flowing creek, just a little creek going through here right now in their area. And I want to, let me see if I can help, that helps at all. A little bit. On the right side of the fence, I want to move them more over here to clear that out, like they did here on the left side. You can definitely see a difference. You can see through there. You cannot see through there. So there's Mama. We've got 2 babies left of hers. If you guys are interested, I'm gonna sell her and Floppy, her boyfriend that you just saw up there. If you're in the North Carolina, Virginia, Tennessee type area, I am not far from you. I am not looking to get a bunch of money for them. I am just being picky because I want a good home for her and for him. Someone that, if someone's going to be breeding, I just want to have a good home for him. I don't want him to be turned into bacon. Her, that was her long-term plan anyway, so we may just take her in. Still kind of up in the air. We may take her in to get processed with her babies, or we'll sell her, or I don't know, I might even breed her one more time. If I breed her one more time, sell him off, give him away to someone that's looking to breed. I mean, like I said, if he's got a good home to go to and you don't have a lot of money, but you're looking to breed, I am not opposed to the part of just giving him away to a good home that's gonna raise him correctly. He's definitely a ladies' man. He can make some babies now. And he's a good looking pig. He's half Berkshire, half Yorkshire. I know he's all white pig, so people are like, Berkshire, he doesn't have any Berkshire on him. You see his floppy ears, that's where the floppy ears come from, is the Berk. And you know Yorkshires don't have floppy ears, their ears are straight up, and that's where the white comes in from him. And he's also have spots on his head. When he's not really muddy like he is now, you can see him. But he does have some darker spots around on his head and some on his belly. So he's not completely just white. It may look like that from the video, but he's not. I do have a set of chickens out here I haven't shown you in a while. They've been, of course, working, you know, these garden beds like I'd like to do. They work these garden beds over here. They just got done with all the trellis area. Now they're gonna start working another row over here. We're just gonna start filling in the back field with more rows to grow food. What you doing, girls? What you doing, ladies? You working? I see you working. Good job. It's looking good. Keep it up. Eat all the grass, scratch it up. We'll be putting in more rows like these with leaves and grass clippings. So if you don't know, I'll run over it with you real quick. You pull this chicken tractor along. As you're pulling it along, these chickens are eating the grass, help kill the grass, take it out, scratch it, kind of, you know, a small till almost. They're also manuring behind them, so it adds fertility back to the ground. You move them along, you come behind them after you're done, and then you cover it deeply with some sort of leaves, grass, some sort of mulch, wood chips, so it blanks out the rest of the grass. And then underneath, you just have soil. There's soil there. So when you want to come plant, you take seed starts. You can start them in flats, or in toilet paper rolls, or in soil block makers. And you can put your seed starts right in the ground, kind of cover up around them, and boom. Got you a nice garden bed with zero tillage, no big machinery. Pretty much just a cage and a few chickens. And this is how I've done this whole back field so far. Rows upon rows upon rows. So how about that? Not only did you get to see all the animals, you got a nice little update on the garden too. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. Later, y'all.